Dah. Good evening and hello everyone. Today, our group will be presenting our project one for subject assembly method, which is piston assembly. My name is Ashraf bin Muhammad Isaimi, and then we have the white shirt Imran Aidil, and wearing the black shirt is Alif Haikal. Okay. So this is a Katia V5 base design, and the documentation and the drawing all drawn and were made in Katia in the assembly design. So this is a piston assembly. The component in the assembly is piston body, pin, and clips. So our focus is the CAD, computer aided design accuracy, assembly logic, and manufacturability. Some of the problem and challenge we face is clearance fit control between pin and piston, accurate 3D to 2D documentation for manufacturing. Next is the project scope for is first parametric 3D part modeling. Next is assembly constraint and exploded configuration. And last is generative drafting, which is part assembly and exploded drawing. Okay, so this is the objective that we focus for this project. We want to be able to develop a high precision parametric 3D model of a piston assembly that reflects what really happens in a real engineering practice or real engine. Also, we want to apply correct assembly constraint and control the degree of freedom so we can simulate the mechanical behavior and movement of a piston. And lastly, we want to generate clear, standardized 2D drawing that are easy to read and suitable for manufacturing and assembly reference.
Next, for drawing analysis, detailed part drawing were produced which correct dimension, tolerance, and surface finish symbol. Section and detail view were used to clearly show internal features such as pin boss thickness and ring groove. Assembly and exploded drawing included bill of material, balloon colors, and define assembly sequence to prevent error. So for the exploded view drawing, uh, we are producing the BOM, bill of material, on the top right side of the drawing. In the bill of material included the part number, part name, and function of the part. So another function of the bill of exploded view and assembly view drawing are for the reference to the uh, every part, so that every part must follow the correct reference so it can be assembled.
Next, we go to the drawing for each individual part. As we can see here, we have a drawing for our base plate, push, cam pillar, and block. So basically, this will be the most static or rigid part, which will help to make sure the system, the piston can move as intended. Okay. Next, we have the camshaft, handle knob, piston, and pin block. So the camshaft will be the pivot or the main pushing force to make sure the piston can move. And then we have the piston, the main component, which will be focused most on its datum and other constraint. And lastly, we have the remaining part, which is rod bracket, rod, and up plate. So This will be the connecting part between piston and the cam shaft. Okay. Oh, ada pula. Okay, so this will be the full assembly drawing. As you can see, the position for the piston will be vertical, and yeah, that's it. Okay.
So this is our discussion. So while using the MU space analysis, we confirm that there is no interference or clash between components. So the MU kinematic will be done correctly. And then proper clearance and concentricity between the piston boss and pin were achieved, allowing smooth rotation. Lastly, mass distribution and center of gravity were verified to ensure balanced reciprocating motion and reduced vibration. Based on this project, we come up with conclusion that the piston assembly was successfully designed, assembled and documented using CATIA V5. The final design meets functional, manufacturing and documentation requirements. This project also provides a strong foundation for future analysis such as FEA, dynamic simulation and material optimization. So that's all from us. Thank you.